Now take a look at this. This is not only crazy, this is insane. I have been waiting a month for this package. A month. Hello, friends. Well, let's unbox a Loot Crate. I'm really upset. I have been waiting for this. I ordered this, I want to say it was March 18th is when I ordered it. They printed the label for it on, no, it wasn't March, February. Okay, so I ordered this February 18th. They printed the label March 23rd. Didn't send it out for shipment until, what was it, the 8th of April? I think. Was it April? I don't know. I'll tell you what. I've been waiting about a month and a half for this thing to show up. This is my very first one. This is the standard regular Loot Crate. I don't know which month it is. I won't know until I open it. Should be March is what this is, but it's now the middle of April. It's, what is today? April 15th. So I should be receiving another one of these in the mail in the next week, supposedly. And they're going to charge me again on May 22nd for 3, because I did 3 at a time. I'm a little annoyed, just to be straight up. I'm a little annoyed. I should have gotten this a month ago, at least a month ago. But anyways, enough with the complaining. I want to open up my Loot Crate with you. So, I haven't opened it. I haven't cracked it. I don't know what's inside. I have a knife, and I am not very safe with a knife. I'm not a Cub Scout. Trust me. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Let's explore this Loot Crate. All right, so let's see. You know what? I'm going to turn it so you get to see what's in it first. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so it's packaged pretty cool. It's got, looks like some sort of space shuttle pop-out thing up here. And a t-shirt, which I ordered. And Captain Marvel 3D comic standee. A piece of cardboard. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we'll look at the shirt. Now, I'm a collector of shirts. Okay, so they did give me a large, so I probably have to reorder. Ooh, the quality's actually pretty good. This is a good quality shirt. Now, I was looking at some reviews online. Oh, that's interesting. I was doing some reviews online, and I was looking at them reviewing online, and they're saying, well, the regular Loot Crate, the quality is really crappy. Don't buy it. Go get with the DX instead. You know what? This quality is really awesome. I do need to change the size. I think a large for me is too big. I probably need to go down to a medium. This is from Office Space, I guess. I don't have any reference to what this is. I don't watch Office Space. I probably should, but I think I've seen a couple of episodes of the British version. So maybe Office Space is something I should take a look at. It's great. The quality is really good. It says Lootware. Loot Crate. It doesn't say the actual manufacturer's name, like Hanes or anything. Okay, what else is in this box? There is, looks like a booklet, Lost in Space. Booklet is what it says, mission log, J2 mission log. Okay, so it's, I think it's supposed to be a journal of some sort. I'll end up giving this probably to my kid. It's got like a fine imprint on it. It's very cheap quality. There's no lines or anything on it. Yeah, I mean, literally, it's cheap quality. I mean, it's just 2 staples, and it's, it's got a barcode on the back. Doesn't show a price, though, but there's a barcode on the back, so if you wanted to try to purchase this cheap thing. But, exclusive Loot Crate. Well, if it's exclusive Loot Crate, why would there be a barcode on the back? Huh. Okay. Ooh, a pin. Loot Crate or Loot Pins. So there's a pin. I think you guys can see it pretty well. Again, it's got another barcode on the back. It says made in China. It doesn't really say much about the pin. It's just looks like a moon and an asteroid or something. So apparently I'm uneducated. Maybe it's the Lost in Space thing. If you know where that pin comes from, in the comment section below, let me know. I mean, it looks like a good quality pin. You get real close on it, not so much. But that's kind of cool. All right. Then there is Loot Crate, Alien, and Fox. It looks like some sort of washcloth or something. Let's see. Oh, wow. It's like felt. It's nice quality. What does it say? It's Aliens. Celebrating 40 years of terror. Washcloth. So it's a washcloth. Looks like, I mean, it's thick. It's got good quality to it. And it's got a little handle on the corner of the washcloth. Oh, rock on. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. I don't know if I'd use it. But, well, I don't see why not. It's good quality. Oh, look, and down here in the bottom, oh my, there's all kinds of other stuff too. Okay, there is a card in here. It's at the bottom. Tells you all the different stuff that's on here. Oh, I don't like looking at these. Exclusive comic pin. Light your path through the galaxy with an exclusive glow-in-the-dark cosmic pin. Glows in the dark, that's cool. This Loot Crate branded accessory simulated combines fashion and function, if you say, creating the perfect addition to any explorer made by Loot Crate. So it's just a pin. That's not a particular TV show or anything like that. Mystery comic t-shirt. Exclusive Lost in Space Jupiter 2 notebook. Exclusive Alien face hugger face towel. And then original Captain Marvel 3D comic standee. Commemorate this MCU live action release of Captain Marvel. Rock on. Okay, so there's a little picture there of it. That's kind of cool. What is this? Get Loot Crate app, tap Loot Lens. Scan the page and the pocket door. Huh. Okay, well, I'll figure out what that Loot Crate app thing is here in a minute. Alright, so here is my box. This is a really good quality Captain Marvel box. Adult collectible, not a toy, it says. And I'm going to get the knife to cut the thing again. Alright, 17 plus. Ooh. is it? Oh. It's a cheap little figurine. Literally. A cheap... Okay, I'm sorry. This is kind of cheap trash. It says for 17 and older. I'm sorry. A 3-year-old could play with this and not hurt themselves. Seriously. This is... And there's nothing to play with. You can just kind of set it up on the thing. Which I will. I'll put it in my little man den. It can just sit there. This stuff is garbage. And I don't keep boxes, so I'll throw that in the fire and burn it. But, it's cool. Alright. In the bottom is... is that a poster? Captain Marvel. Looks like a poster. So that's kind of cool. Don't know what I'll do with it, but I'll find something to do with it with. Marvel Studios. Now, I've never seen Captain Marvel, so maybe I should. Oh, this is kind of cool. So the box unfolds to all of this stuff. Scan the rocket door. The rocket door. Okay. Apparently by scanning the rocket door, it unlocks some code or something. I don't know. It almost looks like you're supposed to assemble this thing. There's the door. Oh, there's my phone. So I'd have to do that after you guys leave. Okay, well, that's kind of cool. Is it worth... well, so if you pay month to month, I think it's like $25 for all this. I did a 3-month deal, and I think it came out to like 17, I think. Was it worth waiting for? A month and a half late? A month late? No. But the t-shirt's cool. And that's the whole reason I got this anyways. And most people are like that, right? You get the t-shirt. The t-shirt is what it's all about. I collect t-shirts, especially 1980s and cool stuff. It's way too big and baggy on me. I can tell you that already. This is a medium, and this is perfect, but this is a little bit too big. But that's okay. I will change my size. Oh, ha ha. I get it. Yeah, the stapler. I get it. Good joke. Yeah, it was alright. I'm going to keep going. I want to see a couple of more months. So, that's my unboxing, my review. There's some things that are, you know, they're fun-ish. I guess maybe for me, I guess if I was to have watched the show, which I will, movie. It's a movie. I'll watch the movie. I don't know. But the shirt's worth $17. I would pay $25 for the shirt. It's actually a good quality shirt. The washcloth is cool. It's a little bit better quality than what you would buy at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree washcloths are kind of crummy, but you can tell like the stitching on the edge is not quite right. It's kind of cut funny. But it's cool, and it's like a heavier fleece, so not quite like a washclothy terry cloth. It's more of like a polyester-y thing, not cotton. This book thing, I'm going to give it to probably my daughter, and if I didn't have a kid, I'd probably throw it away. It's cheap. I mean, it's really cheap quality. And I have no use for this. I guess maybe if I was a young kid or a teenager, maybe. But and then the pin is kind of cool. I mean, it's a cool design. It glows in the dark. It's pretty cool, but not. It'd be cool if it was like a Star Trek pin, or. But I get the space thing, and I don't know. I like it. I'll keep it. I'm gonna keep collecting them because they're kind of cool, and I'll put them on my Doctor Who scarf. And yeah, so all right. Y'all have yourselves a fantastic rest of your day. Thanks for coming over here and checking this out. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that big red button, turn it gray, you know, the subscribe button. Thumbs up and leave me a comment. I don't care what you say. You can call me a ding dong. I don't care. Leave a comment, thumbs up, or thumbs down. You can give me a thumbs down. I'm totally cool with that. I mean, if you want to leave me a nasty comment, I'm totally cool with that too. Either way, it counts. It's a comment. So, and it's thumbs up or thumbs down. They don't care. And of course, subscribe. So, share out my stuff. If you see something cool, put it on your Facebook or Instagram or something. Share me out. And until next time, bye for now.